So it's just one potato. You have a lot of seeds. So yeah, like this one in just one potato in Tijana. So I cut it up and I turned it into, how did I do it? I cut it up and I made one potato out of it. I mean three seeds. 3 seeds out of it. There I made 4. In fact, I made 4 seeds. There's 2 pieces here and that one, and then that other one over there, making 4 seeds. If I should say 4 roots. 4 roots out of 1. So I cut it up like this, and I leave them for some moments so the surface of the potato, this surface of the potato can get dry. And then while they dry, I'll be going to prepare the buckets. Well, I usually use tires, but then we're using buckets this time around. Well, my tires are occupied, so we'll be using these buckets. So what I've picked, these 20-liter buckets. So what you need to prepare your buckets, you need to drill some drainage at the bottom of your buckets. See, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to put my hand in the bucket, and then right around the center of the center, just above the center of my hand, your middle finger. So wherever your middle finger ends, to the deep of the bucket, you can see, and then you can make a mark, and that's how much you're going to have to add sand into your buckets. And for sand, I'll be using I just got this very nice fertile soil from the hill. It's black, it's nice, it's great. So that's what I'll be using. So add that much soil. I don't know what is it, 7 inches, 6 inches to the bucket. Well, okay. After careful study of my bucket, I've noticed that my bucket would be shorter than how I would usually use the tires. So I've went to the point whereby I've went to filling sand up to this much. I took 2 joints of my middle finger, and then I only went in that deep with the sand, with the and so yeah, after that I'm going to be placing my buckets, my seeds face down. So in a bucket like this, I'm going to be putting 3 roots. Let the surface of the plant dry off. After that, you can place it. So placing this 3 roots into my bucket, and then I'm going to fill them all the way up to here. Well, that's when I'll take the 6.5 to 7 inches approach, backfilling it up with so I don't know what to call it. I'm also going to add some other things there. I have a powder for eggshells. I'm going to eggshell powder, and then I'm also going to add bone meal, and I'm also going to add a little bit of rooting powder. Just to give the potato some support, and then I'm going to fill it up with water.
Started.
So we have, as we add, we use this bone meal here. We add the bone meal to the mixture of the sand as you keep adding, and then I have these little compost chips here, eggshells, banana peels, potato peel, compost chips. You add them to the mix as you keep adding your soil. These are your support fertilizer, I should say. Oh yeah, one other key aspect. when you do some of these things, engage the little people. They enjoy it. It's also a great learning tool for them. Tell them what